Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making Cajun fried eggs. Now before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Now let's get started. So first, we boil our eggs. My dad's gonna place 3 eggs in the boiler. While the eggs are cooking, on to the next step. So while the eggs are boiling, let's make our breadcrumbs. Just use old stale bread and put it in a blender.
Put all of it in there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Well, don't force it. Don't force it. Just loosely put it in there. Let it go.
Right.
All right, now try it.
The other two, you got close to
Hold
top.
the top on. Hit the button. No, hold the top. And hit the button.
Which one?
It doesn't matter which one.
I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
So if the bread gets stuck, just pick it up and shake it. So now that the bread is done, you put it in a mixing bowl. That's a lot of bread.
Yeah, we're not gonna use all that. I'm gonna cut out about maybe half to a third of this. We're gonna use about a third of it.
Okay.
All right. There's your breadcrumbs.
Yay! Now that our eggs have been boiling for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, let's put them in an ice bath. So Dad, what's the purpose of the ice bath?
The ice bath. Hey, push that down in there. Push it in there. Dunk it. There you go. The ice water will help in cooling off the egg rapidly, and then the shell will break away from the egg, so it'll be easier to peel. But it has to be submerged. It's basically you're shocking the system. It went from being super hot to super cold.
Ah,
It's a little
okay.
science trick. There you go. Now just swish it around for a few seconds.
This is how I
Shake
like
the
to
whole
do
bowl.
it.
Just shake the whole bowl like this. There you go. And we'll let that sit for about a minute, minute and a half. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
And then we'll be able to peel the egg shell right off of the egg. All right, get those tongs out of there.
All right. So it's like boiled eggs, but cold.
Well, they're boiled, and then I took them out of the boiler, or you took them out of the boiler and put them in this ice bath.
All right.
That's how you break the shell away from the egg. Okay?
Okay.
Good job.
So now that our eggs are out of the ice bath, let's crack them and take them out of the shell.
Crack it all the way around. Nope, that's not how you do it. Crack it all the way around.
Like this?
Yep, all the way around. There you go. Do the top and the bottom. The top and the bottom.
Like this?
Yep. There you go. Now look at the whole thing. Is it cracked all the way around?
This way. No.
There you go.
Oh, wait.
Now peel it.
Ah, so it is kind of like boiled eggs.
That's what a boiled egg is.
Yep. So, but the shell's in here?
Yep.
Okay. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay.
I'll do the next one and show you how to crack it and then roll it.
Okay, I'm not very good at like trying to take the shell off. I'm like going one, like I'm going like actually slow on this part.
Okay.
Like I keep doing that on that. I keep doing this, but it's like takes me a while.
Okay, I'll show you how to do it. I'll do the next one.
All right.
All right. So when you crack it, crack the bottom all the way around, crack the top all the way around, and then you crack the sides like that, right?
Okay.
And then you can just roll it like that. And then you look at it, the entire thing is cracked like this, right?
Yep.
And then when you peel it, take that bottom piece of the egg, open the sac, and it should basically fall off.
Yeah.
That's the purpose of, now look at that. See how it's peeling right off?
Yes.
Boom, and the egg is done. And you just rinse your hands and the egg to make sure you get off the little small egg pieces.
Okay.
And that is how you crack an egg. So that's the purpose of the ice bath.
All right.
Got it?
Got it.
All right, let's go to the next egg.
Okay. So now we're gonna bread our eggs, but first we need to season our breading. So you need to use Cajun season, salt, and pepper. I'll get that little bit of salt.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Mix it up.
And use it with your hands. I don't know why, but
You don't have to, but you can. It doesn't matter as long as you wash. This is the importance of washing your hands all the time.
yep. Sometimes you may have to do stuff with your hands. Well, maybe mix stuff with your hands.
All right. So now let's make the oil.
Alright, yep. So now we're gonna mix the olive oil and the hot sauce into this bowl. Alright. Yeah, just pour that. And pour that. Hot sauce. That part's
You
dripping.
got it. You got it.
This?
You got it. It's fine.
Yeah, but that part's dripping.
Don't worry about it.
And just use a fork.
Stir it around.
Yep, use the fork.
The fork is with you.
Yeah.
Use the fork, Lou.
What are you saying?
This is a Star Wars reference. Never mind.
What, you watch Star Wars?
I don't. I'm not a Star Wars fan, but your uncle is.
Oh, okay.
I grew up watching Star Wars, but yeah, I could take it or leave it.
I think that's enough. Should we
Just
say?
stir a little more.
And after that, you get one egg and then just.
Well, hold on. Let me do it here. You hold the camera. There you go.
Okay.
I'll show you. See how the hot sauce is incorporated?
Yeah.
See that?
Yep.
Yeah, you hadn't learned that part yet. So that's how you want it to look. So it's hot sauce and olive oil, okay?
Okay. And then you just probably just dump the eggs in there.
Well, that's what you're gonna do.
Okay.
Switch.
Switch. All right. Now let's roll the egg in there.
Yep.
Use this hand. Use always this hand. That's one of my dad taught me.
Dry hand, wet hand.
Yep.
That's one of your safety tips. Roll it around.
I guess so just roll it like this.
Mhm.
Okay. I guess just do the whole part then. I want to maybe at least do the top and the bottom maybe. I'm not sure yet.
Good job.
Ah, slippery!
Yeah, it's very slippery. It's oil
Ah!
on a smooth egg. Good luck holding on to it. All right, come on, put it in the breadcrumbs.
All right, now let's put it in the breadcrumbs. Just make sure all the oil to get off maybe.
There you go.
Yeah, just let it drip until it gets stopped. And it might take a little bit of a while.
Okay.
I know.
Put
What
in
do you say?
breadcrumbs.
Alright, just that and then put it in breadcrumbs. Oops.
Put it in there, right?
Put it in the breadcrumbs.
Roll it around.
Just use this. Just put it on top. Oh, I think I know about this before.
Yeah, I showed you that when we in season 3, I think it was.
And then just roll it.
Why are you rolling around with your wet hand? Keep your wet hand out of there. Do that with your dry hand.
Oh.
Here, let me show you. Put it on there. Don't be scared of that. Roll that bad boy around.
Yeah, roll that bad boy. I think I heard of these before we started this. I don't know.
And you could use a batter on this sometimes too.
Batter up.
Let's see, I wonder if I can double dip this. Hold on, let me try something.
Okay. Oh, so you're thinking of that idea?
I need it to stick. Yeah, so we'll do it twice.
Okay. And you are That egg is probably like, help me, I'm being tortured. Alright, so what is next, Dad?
Put it on the spoon here.
Alright, am I gonna do it?
Yep, and just pick the spoon up and set it in the hot grease.
Okay, this is...
Softly. Set it down in there. Set it down in there.
Oh, geez. What am I supposed to do?
I don't know, we're about to try it and see. Put the spoon down. Do the other two eggs.
Oh, right here?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's what happened. So the eggs didn't come out the way I thought they would. This one kind of did. It worked out, but for some reason it wouldn't adhere. So I had to switch it up. I made a little bit more batter. Here's a little egg wash, and I added flour, a flour Cajun mix to the breadcrumbs is here. So hopefully this batter will stick to the rest of these eggs. So they kind of came out hanky looking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-dip them and then refry them, okay? So here's a little egg wash. Put it here. Breadcrumbs, flour. Now let's see how this comes out. I think this should be better, okay? Let's make sure that grease is ready. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, and as usual, safety first. Yep, we're just gonna roll that next one. Oh yeah, it's coming out way better. Now these are ones I cut in half. Let's see how these come out. What do you think so far, Troy?
I think it's going great.
Good, good. All right, now the first one we put in there, so roll that over. Uh-oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, it's sticking.
Look at that. Let me cut that heat down a little bit. Boom. Okay. See, this goes to show you that everything doesn't work out the way you want it, but when it doesn't, that's all right. You just repurpose it. We like to repurpose around here. We don't throw no food out. We make these leftovers into wonderful, beautiful masterpieces. Roll that one over. Boom. Oh, look at that. Perfect. See how that other one looks. Oh yeah, they're coming out nice. They're coming out nice. Now we got our plate with our napkins on. Remember, the eggs are already cooked. You just want to do this to brown the coating. Set that there. Roll that one over. Oh, that looks great. That is thebomb.com. Boom. Look at that. Look at these eggs. Oh, they look so wonderful. Those are 2 half eggs. Flip that one over. Booyah! Kashama. There you go. Now we'll just go ahead and cut that off. Clean up our mess a little bit. See? That's how you salvage some food when you mess it up. Yeah, don't stand too close to that grease, buddy. It'll pop you in the face. All right, here we go. Pull that out. Perfecto. Those are your Cajun fried eggs. All right, now let's plate this up.
So my dad and I had a little bit of a glitch in the matrix. But in other words, he messed it up. But don't worry, my dad fixed it, and here's what he did. He had egg wash to it, and a little bit of flour into the dipping, and refried it. He'll tell the recipe in the description below. And here's our Cajun fried eggs. That actually looks good. I hope you enjoyed this episode, even though it was frustrating. And if you did, leave a comment below and share this video. Man, I'm ready to eat. Bye.